Hello and welcome to my channel. From now you don't need to pay a subscription fee for Midjourney. Instead, I'll show you a tutorial on how to create images with the same high quality as Midjourney, but with an AI tool that's both fast and free, without any request limitation. The process is easy. Be sure to watch the tutorial to the end so that you can take advantage of this great AI tool. But before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest AI tools. The first step is to create an account in BlueWillow. To do this, simply search BlueWillow on Google. Then click on the Join the Free Beta button and then choose a username for yourself. Then, enter a date of birth. Make sure that your age should not be less than 15 years, otherwise, you will not be allowed to create an account. Then enter an email address and choose a password. Go to your email, click on Activation button and activate your account. Click on the Continue to Discord button. You must choose your language here. I chose English. In the second step of this tutorial, you should create a new server for yourself. You can simply do it by clicking the plus button on the left toolbar. Be careful to follow me, do all the steps exactly like me and choose the options that I choose. Choose a name and upload a photo to your server. Uploading the photo is not compulsory and you can ignore it, just click on the Create button to create your server. Now we return to BlueWillow from the left toolbar. Click on the Member List button in the upper right part. Then click on the Add to Server button and select the server that you have already created. Congratulations, now you have your own dedicated server and you can create as many images as you want for free and without any limitations. To send a prompt, first type a slash and then type imagine, so that the prompt box is displayed for you. You can create as many images as you want. No one else will have access to this server and this server is exclusively for you. As you can see, this AI tool will create 4 images for you for each prompt. By clicking the U button, you can see the upscale version of each image, and by clicking the V button you can have 4 different versions of each of the images. This tool is completely free, fast and will provide you with reasonable quality images.